my sister Taryn, and we are back. We have just done a video talking about all the awesome ways that she reduces her use of crud, plastic, junk, and reusing things. And with that, she makes her own laundry detergent. She and my mom got big old bucket, or if you have one, thank you Chick-fil-A, God's chicken. If you have a big old bucket, then reuse that one, of course.
It's important that it's airtight.
Yeah.
Must be airtight.
Must be airtight. Got it. I use doTERRA's laundry detergent, which I like. But Taryn has found, if you're looking at cost-wise stuff, that making a huge batch of this and then using off it, it costs you what, like?
Yeah, we did the math, and it can, depending on the products that you use, it can cost less than normal detergent, or maybe just a fraction more. And for me, even if it costs a fraction more, it's worth it, considering that you're not putting all those chemicals and things into your laundry, which is getting on your skin, right?
Which is getting into your blood.
You don't want that stuff.
And I think that before they were using the massive thing of the cheapest stuff at Costco.
Yes.
Right, so that was like...
So when you'd open it and you'd inhale, it'd be like... It's horrible. So let's quickly talk about some of the products, and then we'll talk about mixing it. It's really easy. And Jessie said that we're going to post the website that we found this on.
We'll give
Thank
you the
you
link
to my mom for helping us find this website and find the ingredients. We'll post it in the...
Yeah, we'll post it in the description, and then we'll also have the recipe card of what she's done here.
Yep. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to use are Castile soap bars. You can get these online, like with an Amazon purchase, if you want to. I found these at my nearest Vitamin Cottage. I don't know if you have Vitamin Cottage everywhere, but it was $1.89 a bar when I got it at the store. I think you can get it on Amazon. If you do a giant thing of them, it's like $1.49 a bar. Okay?
Yeah, and get the unscented, fragrance-free ones, because you don't want all the added fragrance, because we're going to scent it ourselves.
Exactly. And then you're going to want to grate it. Now, it's super easy if you have a food processor. I borrowed my mom's food processor for this with the grating attachment. Okay? It took us maybe, 5 minutes to grate 4 bars?
Yeah, and then we kind of had to clean up. And the nice thing is that this is all the soap on here, so you just do hot water and you wash this off, and it's really easy. These do cut up fairly well with a knife if you don't have the Cuisinart with this attachment. But this was really fast, and again, we're doing a large batch, so much faster. So we got this fluffy Castile soap.
Yep.
Okay, so
ready to go. So the next one that's over here, that's going to be in this back bowl, is your laundry booster. This is sodium carbonate. And again, you can just get this at your local store.
Super washing soap. I've seen it in grocery stores, also on Amazon.
Yep.
You can use this also like for dishwasher stuff. You can wash your dishes with it.
Now, this is one of the few things so far that I would not recommend buying on Amazon, which is crazy because I love Amazon. Your borax here. This is, what is the word, Jessie?
Sodium tetraborate.
Okay, sodium tetraborate.
We'll get Dominic to give you the breakdown molecular structure.
You can do the subscribe and save for the borax on Amazon, but it costs more. I did a price comparison. It cost just over $11 on Amazon, and then I went to Target and I got it for just over $5 for the same quantity of borax.
So keep an eye out for borax. I've also seen that in grocery stores and stuff too.
Yep. It's carried mostly borax.
Okay,
and then
so
your favorite essential oil is the most important one.
And again, you can pick.
Yep. You can pick. Last time we did lemon, and it was really nice.
I like Purify.
Jessie convinced me this time we're going to try On Guard, and I think that's a great idea.
Because she got a bunch of On Guard in the BOGO, so we have multiple bottles of On Guard. So let's use it. Immune boosting, killing bacteria, killing junk, cleaning clothes.
Yep.
And it smells nice.
All right. Okay, so we're going to take our container, and it's just super easy. Okay. So here, I just keep inside my container my 2 tablespoon spoon that my mom got me. Thank you, Mom.
Is that how much you use per load? Is 2 tablespoons?
2 tablespoons per load.
Okay.
All right, so now we're just going to simply mix the ingredients, Jessie. So this
was 4 bars of Castile soap, and these were 4 ounce. So 16 ounces worth, or a pound's worth of the Castile soap.
Okay, so I'm going to put in a little bit of the soap first.
Okay.
And then, Jessie, if you wouldn't mind putting in some of the other.
Okay, so then this is our super washing soda. And you just kind of layer these in?
Yep, layer some in, and then we're going to layer in some of the borax, and then let's mix it up. We really want to get a good mix of everything.
Okay. Did you use this?
Yes, you do.
This is my mom's old biscuit masher. I have a really hard time because mine broke, having a hard time making biscuits without this.
Okay. With your essential oil, you want to use 80 drops of it, which we figured out is a third of a 15 milliliter bottle.
Or a 5 milliliter bottle, if you got something that's 5 milliliters. So about a third of the bottle.
So Jessie,
and you could stand here and drop, or you could, if you want, pop the top off and get a pipette and just kind of squeeze out about a third.
Nice. Okay, so Jessie, you keep mixing
so
while I'm pouring.
She's dripping drops. I mix it all in. Okay, so we got it all mixed up. It took us just a couple minutes. Put the lid on here. You can do an extra little.
Yes, definitely shake it up. And mix it thoroughly.
And mixing. Is it mixed?
I don't know. I think you might need to do it a little more.
A little more?
Yeah, I think you might need to.
Okay.
That's important. Okay.
Okay, so this is gonna last you what?
So the last time I made laundry soap, I usually do about 4 to 5 loads of laundry a weekend.
Okay.
And I made this last 7 or 8 months ago. So this lasted me a really long time.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, scoop in. This is done for the laundry soap?
This is done for the laundry soap.
Okay.
All right.
And then you have a couple other tricks you want to show really quickly.
Yes. So
I'll
we'll
clean
be really fast. One of the things that the website recommended that you can also use is Dr. Bronner's Salsa. It's a biodegradable cleaner. I use it on the first load of the weekend. You do 1 tablespoon of it, and you can just throw it in the wash section of your washing machine at the same time.
What does that do?
It gives it an extra clean, and it helps clean your machine.
Okay.
Machine clean. This is the difference because this is a laundry soap, not a detergent.
Not a detergent.
Right? So you want to keep your machine clean as well. So Dr. Bronner's Salsa.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
And then
this I just recently got. This is like a replacement for OxyClean. This is Nellie's All Natural Oxygen Brightener.
So use that for your whites, yeah, like just to brighten.
Right, exactly. Okay. So it recommends as well that if you wanted to, you could mix some of it in with here. This is a little more costly, so I want to only typically do it when I'm doing like my whites or a special load or something like that. Okay. Again, this is all natural ingredients. I'm really happy so far with the product because it doesn't have all like the bleach and things in it. That's so bad
it keeps your whites white.
Exactly. So.
And then we talked about the dryer balls, and here's her little ball of aluminum. Oh, you can hear the kids are in the background. Yeah. We're getting ready to head out, so we're trying to do the last. So show us really quickly. Okay. She makes her own. If you want to do fabric softener sheets.
Okay. So where I work, there's a wrong size coffee filter that always comes with our mandatory cases of coffee that we get for my place of business. And so I asked if I could have some, and I use them as an additional like dryer sheet instead. So these were free. If they weren't free, I wouldn't do this. But you can use them as dryer sheets. What you do is you mix up about less than a cup, about a half cup of vinegar, just regular white vinegar, with your favorite essential oil. Not too much.
Like lavender, peppermint.
Yeah, like
orange.
we did lavender.
Okay.
And so you mix those two up together, and then you drizzle it over the coffee filters. You want your coffee filters to be damp. Okay.
Damp.
Not dripping, but damp. And then you throw in 1 per load. They come out at the end of the load looking like this. You can throw it away. Or I've read mixed feelings on this. You can compost it. Now, if you get the all white bleached one, some people feel like, ooh, bleach, you can't throw it in the compost. Other people feel like, okay, yes, because all the bleach has been, kind of taken out of it. You can throw it in the compost. It's up to you. Of course, you don't need these if you just use a reusable coffee filter, right? If you decide that you do want to compost your coffee filters like this, though, this is really dry. Okay. So it will not disintegrate very quickly unless you mix it in the middle of your compost pile so that it gets nice and moist.
Okay. So options. We got a lot of options. And vinegar is a softening agent, so we actually put it in our wash. We do our On Guard detergent, and then in where you would normally put the bleach, we do fill it up with just plain white vinegar, which is same there. So you could use these if you wanted to make your own. That's an option.
Okay.
And then last,
this is my fabric softener. I know that it's kind of a suspicious color, but I'll tell you why in a bit. All this is just vinegar. You get one of those big 1.5 gallon things of vinegar.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Vinegar's a softening.
I went to the store and I bought this gallon-sized container.
Cute little jar with cute little label.
I know. You warm up your vinegar on the stove so that it's warm. And then what I did to make this mix, you can really put anything in here to steep with your warm vinegar. I did some lemon and lime peels. So you put your lemon and lime peels in here.
Extract the essential oils from the peels.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the recipe says you could do essential oils, but I kind of wanted the fresh stuff for mine. So you pour over.
I mean, same.
Exactly. You pour the warm vinegar over your peels or whatever you want to put in here. You can put in some, herbs, like mint.
Really?
Yeah, you can put mint in here. Whatever you wanted to use.
Steep your own fabric softener.
Let it steep.
My mind is blown.
It's blown. I know.
Steep your own fabric softener.
I know.
I had no idea.
So you let it steep for like a week to 2 weeks, and then you can pull out the peels. I was using it kind of after the first week, and then I just let the peels sit in here. You use a half a cup of this per load if you want to, and then you put it just in the fabric softener portion of your washing machine, and it works.
Yeah. Awesome.
I know. So this is my homemade fabric softener, and so far I'm really happy with it. It's working well.
Yeah. So lots of options. We hope that was helpful. We'll post the recipe. We'll post the link. Choose your own oils and have fun.
Thank you.